Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can reduce fan speed while you are in a call. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to tap the car icon to go to the settings, and then you just scroll down until you find the Bluetooth. And as you can see, this one is already turned on, so if not, just tap on it and it will reduce the fan speed during calls. We can hear if I turn it up. It's pretty noisy, as we can hear. So it's much better to turn down and then we can speak. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe if you found value in this video. I'll see you in the next one.